Hey guys, how's it going? Nate here. Welcome to Just Outside the Tool Shed. Today I have a quick tip for you. One thing to check for if your DeWalt weed eater is not pushing string out anymore, it's not despooling the string like it's supposed to when you whack the head. This is one thing you can check for. There are other issues it can have, but this is a pretty common issue with these weed eaters. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the side of the guard and you see an indentation right there, a cutout. And there's also a cutout, hopefully you can see that, on the inside part of the head. You're going to line those two indentations up and get a screwdriver, and you're going to put a screwdriver right in there. What that does is that locks the head in and allows you to unscrew it from the shaft. So then we're going to put it up here. This head is reverse threaded, meaning that normally you would turn something counterclockwise to take it off. This one you're going to turn clockwise to remove the head, so you're going to turn both of these together. I already loosened mine, so yours might be on a little tougher. You might have to use both hands and really turn, but this screws all the way off and you're left with the main part of the head and then this cover or sheath or whatever. And so when I cleaned mine, I had a bunch of string stuck right here, and then I had a bunch of crap stuck in this area too, and this area on the inside of the sheath. And so that was keeping the string from coming out of the head. So you get all that cleaned off, and then as you can see in the sheath here, got a couple of nubs that correspond with these indentations on the head. You can put that on there, get that all lined up, put it back on the head with the screwdriver still in there, and you're going to turn this counterclockwise to get it to thread back on. Now you might have to wiggle this around a bunch, get it to go back on. You want to make sure that the sheath is actually all the way up next to the head and that everything is completely screwed down all the way. Just keep screwing counterclockwise until it gets tight, and then I like to give it a little extra, make sure it's on there tight, and chances are the string will be coming out just fine and you'll have a working weed eater. That's all I got for you guys today. If you can like the video and subscribe, it really helps the channel out. I really appreciate it.